Hey gang, buy and hold investing is dead right now. I mean, if you have gains, the volatility will just turn it into a loss. Right now, the only way to survive is to trade this market. And in order to trade this market successfully, you need to know how to drill down sectors and individual stocks. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. You're going to learn how to select the strongest stock in the strongest sector. And by the way, I created an amazing actionable video. It's a class that'll teach you how to do sector rotations the right way. Please sign up below this video. Now let's get into the lab and get busy. What we're looking at is a financial site called Finviz. And what this site allows you to do is look at sectors and stocks within those sectors in a very, very simple and intuitive way. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is look at groups. This tells you all the major sectors of the S&P 500 using different time periods. 1 week performance, 1 month performance, 3 month performance, 6 month performance, and 1 year performance, and so on. So you can get a breakdown of every sector and how they're doing in terms of comparison to other sectors in terms of relative strength for any time period. And this is really, really important because it allows you to see visually which sector is beating all others in different time periods. For example, here you can see in a 1 week time period, basic materials is really killing it. When you look at basic materials over a 1 month period, you can see it's down 3.9% instead of being up. So again, this gives you a good idea of where every sector is based on a different time period. So let's take this one step further. Let's go to performance. Now here, when we go to performance, we get a breakdown of all of the sectors, and we can actually click on it for every period like quarter, half year, year, year to date, and so forth. So this gives you a very good visual idea of how things are going in terms of each individual sectors. And again, this is all of the major sectors in the S&P 500. And I wanted to remind you that the examples that you're seeing now is just a small preview of what I have planned for you in my actionable 90-minute class on trading sectors with ETFs and options. If you're getting some value from this short video, you'll absolutely love my class. So don't forget to sign up below this video. So once you find out what sectors you're looking at and which sectors are performing best and worse, you can click on each of the sectors and it'll drill down all the stocks within that sector. So you can look at the stocks that make up the sector as well. So let's say, for example, we're interested in the utility sector because over the past quarter, it's been the only one that's been giving us profit, okay? Everything else is in a downside. And let's say now we want to look at the best stock within the utility sector over a period of half a year. It would be EBR or CIG or SBS. But the bottom line is you can see the performance of every stock within the sector that you're looking. If you're looking at technology, okay, we can click technology, and let's say we're looking at the best performance over the past quarter, okay? We could see that GRVY and SMTX gave us 164.96% and SMTX gave us 81.55%. So these are definitely strong stocks. And you can also target further by market cap, the exchange, earnings date, target price. There's a lot of filters. So the site is called Finviz, and this is a great way to drill down performance on industries and sectors. And you can look at it from different perspectives, including visual looks, spectrum looks right here. You can look at it with a grid view. And again, all of this gives you performance for different sectors that make up the S&P 500 over a specific period of time. And that's what you want to look at when you're deciding which sector is the strongest and which sector is the weakest. And before I let you go, there's something I want you to keep in mind. In this historically volatile market, I'm protecting myself, and you should too. It's now more important than ever to learn how to drill down the S&P 500 to find only the strongest sectors and the strongest stocks and avoid all else. You've got to know how to do this to stay in the game. Many of you contacted me asking for more info, so I'm holding a special class to show you how to do it. You'll get a step-by-step deep dive look at how I use sector rotations to find the best opportunities in all market phases and how you can do it too. Sign up now to reserve your spot. The class is filling up. You don't want to put this off. I've seen a lot of markets over the past 25 years, and this one can be the tip of the iceberg. Use the link below to sign up for this crucial training now. I'll see you there.